Hotel JW Marriott's. Jigastupus Hospitality, followed by Hotel Emerald, thank you, Hotel Emerald. Requesting Hotel Trident, Nariman Point to please be ready. Hotel Trident, please come. Requesting the upper deck to be ready. Trident, please come on stage. The upper deck. Cream Center. Upper deck, ready? Okay, hold on. Cream Center, please, to my right hand side. Hotel Samrat and Restaurant Samrat, please be ready. Along with Hotel Singhs International, all three together. Hotel Samrat, Samrat Restaurant and Singh International. All three together. 34, 35, 36. Buns Sangha Ramnath Paryadi. Miss Kirti and Miss Samruddhi. 37. 37. What is the name? 37, no? Buns Sangha, Sanghs Ramnath. Hotel Pritam. Hotel Midtown Pritam. Followed by Hotel Diplomat. Hotel Renaissance. Hotel Diplomat. Hotel Renaissance. Thank you, gentlemen. Please have a seat. Thank you, guys. On behalf of the association HIWI, I would like to, we have a small token of appreciation to our CFO, sir. I request President Mr. Gurbakh Singh Kohli to please felicitate our CFO, sir. Thank you. Requesting Mr. Gurbakh Singh Bedi, the chairman of the seminar committee, to felicitate Mr. Hemant Parab. हाँ. Okay, Mr. Anil Parab. And requesting Mr. Gurbir Singh Bedi to once again felicitate Mr. D.S. Patil. Before we go to the final session of vote of thanks, I request our CFO sir to say a few words before we end. Please. Please, sir. Please.
If you don't have a pride within yourself, you cannot ask somebody to give that kind of a reciprocation. Okay, so you should feel proud. I already spoken at the length before you guys came in. I already whatever knowledge sharing is required. There was good interaction in 3-4 hours, and I request you to you all guys go into the assessment and this what you begin with. तो होटल में कंपटीशन हो जाना चाहिए यार मेरे इधर कम वॉलंटियर क्यों हैं यू अंडरस्टैंड so each of you is one fireman for within the system. Okay, I'll give one announcement today. I saw this kind of a reciprocation and as well as the info from you guys. We have a fire week which is coming from 14th April. I'll announce the date. Okay. And I'll make sure that there will be a one competition between the volunteers. Some competition will be done over here. We'll ask all the volunteers to participate. We'll give us some video or kind of a thing required to be practiced. Maybe it might be a 2-man or 3-man drill. Okay. With the knowledge what you gain and whatever the thing you have, you can choose 2-3 guys from your hotel and whether they are volunteers or not, irrespective, and please join. And then we do have a rally, okay, that for the awareness towards the and I rather एक आपको चुनौती दे रहा हूँ कि you should join us. In whatever the capacity, whatever the time, the constraint, वो सब करके manage करके क्योंकि होटल भी चलना चाहिए नहीं तो पगार नहीं मिलेगा. He's more worried now. Okay, so please join us whenever it is possible for you guys. Okay, no doubt, don't do a पंगा with the management. पहले उनसे बोल के सब adjustment करके आ जाओ यार. कभी बोल देना नाइट शिफ्ट कर लूँगा सर, मॉर्निंग उधर जाना है तो they will also be happy to pay you guys. And thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you,
sir. Well, this is a last one, nothing more than that. Friends, we have come to an end of the very important seminar that's on fire marshal training, and I'm sure that whatever you have heard from our distinguished speakers would go a long way in your career. On behalf of the association, the chairman of the seminar subcommittee, Mr. Shail Barod and Mr. Gurbir Singh Bedi, I wish to extend my sincere thanks to Mr. Prabhat Rangdale, Chief Fire Officer, Mr. Hemant Parab, Deputy Chief Fire Officer, Mr. Anil Parab, Division Fire Officer, and our trainer for this day, Mr. D.M. Patil. Please give a round of applause for them. And a special thanks to Ms. Bhavana Kodial, who actually helped us in getting the caps, the laminate, the certificates, and her team. And I also thanks, please. I thank Hotel Mini Punjab for the lovely F&B which has been laid after the session. and the staff of Baikala Fire Brigade. A special thanks goes to the leading fireman, Mr. Patil, leading firewoman, Ms. Lata, fireman, Mr. Rathod and Rahul, and my colleague from the office, Namrata and Sandeep. We once again thank you for all the time, effort, love shown and shared with us, which we are sure which will go a long way ahead in life. And behalf of the association, I would like to say once again thanks to the management of Baikala Fire Brigade, and thank our government and the country also. Thank you very much, and God bless you. We request for a group photo.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
और दिखाओ